Lemons are one of the only fruits that stay fresh for weeks in the fridge, which is probably why they end up in so many quick last-minute desserts. Today we're making the easiest lemon slices, only 3 ingredients. No baking and it comes together in minutes. The only preparation I basically have to do is juice my lemons. And for this recipe I only need 3 medium lemons. That's quite enough for 1 can of condensed milk. So for step 1, we're just mixing the mousse. Pour your condensed milk into a bowl and you'll see as soon as the lemon juice hits the condensed milk, it thickens almost instantly. It's like magic and it gives you that beautiful mousse texture without any effort. That thickening reaction happens because lemon juice is acidic. It changes the proteins in the milk and turns it into a mousse without any whipping. And did you also know that condensed milk was invented in the 1800s as a way to keep milk fresh without refrigeration? And honestly, thank goodness, because it makes desserts like this ridiculously easy. Now for step 2. Let's layer the biscuits. I love using tennis biscuits because they soften just enough to become cake-like, but they still hold their shape when you slice. And if you didn't know, tennis biscuits were created in South Africa more than a century ago, and they're still one of the most iconic bases for no-bake desserts. Now in step 3, we'll just pour and spread. And that's it. No whipping, no baking, no fuss. Just spread it out and let the fridge do the rest. What you can also do is split your filling in half, pack your base layer of biscuits, and then in the middle you can add another layer of biscuits. That's what I like to do because I enjoy my slices a bit more cakey or biscuity. And then you just top it off with your other half of your filling. But you can do whatever you choose. If you like a more mousse-like filling, just skip the layer of biscuits in the middle and just fill it up with your mousse. Did you know that lemons actually float in water because they're full of tiny air pockets? It's completely useless for this recipe, but it's fun to know. Now let's smooth out the filling and give it a nice shake to level everything before we put it in the fridge to chill a bit. Oh, as a last little touch, I'm just adding a little bit of lemon zest. Let's chill it for about an hour or 2 until it's set. If you're in a hurry, the freezer works too. Let's slice and serve. Look at that. Clean layers, creamy mousse, and the easiest dessert you'll ever make. This is perfect for summer, perfect for last-minute guests, and honestly, perfect for when you just want something sweet without the effort. Did you know that lemons were once so valuable that ancient Romans actually gifted them like treasure? Imagine getting a lemon for your birthday. Personally, I prefer one of these lemon mousse slices. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, let me know and I'll share more easy no-bake ideas. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.